This is a country with no traffic rules. In Bangladesh, you won't find a single bus in good condition. Since the roads here are generally narrow, this leads to frequent collisions between buses. Sometimes the bus behind often pushes the bus in front of it. Drivers don't follow traffic rules because most buses are privately owned. Drivers can cause friction between buses because there is competition for soliciting passengers. The doors would always be open, and the conductor would stand at the door to solicit passengers. When the roads were congested, the road wardens would come with a small wooden stick, and they would tap on the buses to remind the drivers to move the buses away immediately. Even so, the drivers don't get angry. They're used to it. Repairing the buses is expensive, so they don't bother to repair them. Even if the glass is broken, they don't replace it. In Bangladesh, the appearance of the bus doesn't matter until the bus is completely scrapped. Follow me and explore a different world.